Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the uppercase formula in Excel. The uppercase formula converts the text written in a cell to uppercase. Like, let's understand with this example. Let's type in the uppercase formula is equal to UPPER, converts a text string to all uppercase letters. So let's open the bracket and select this text and close the bracket. That's it. And see each and every letter in this text string has been converted to uppercase. What if we had a number also written over here? There would be no change in numbers. It will still work. All right. Now, let's apply it once again. Upper, open bracket, select this text, and the answer is here. What if I choose to select more than one cell? Let's see. Let me select Pizza Hut and Developer tab together. So the answer that it has given is just Pizza Hut. It's just considered one cell. See, the first cell was considered, the second cell was not. So this is how you use the uppercase formula. See you in the next video.